Hello everyone, welcome. We're here with another fun-filled day of science, and I can't wait to show you a couple things today actually. So today we're going to check in on our plants, the seeds we planted, and then we're going to check in on the seeds in our baggie. And things are happening, and I can't wait. Let's go. So to start, I'll start with sorry, I just showed you my messy apartment. So today to start, let's look at our seeds in our jar. I picked up a random cup again, and as you can see, I don't know if you can tell, I picked up the same jar with 10 seeds in it. Okay, so these are our jars. You guys like my handy computer desk there? It's great. So we have our jars. This jar happens to have 10 seeds in it. And let's look inside. Today, again, you're filling out your plant observation sheet. I'm telling you that again now so that you can get an idea of what to draw. So here we have an almost full jar. The soil level goes up to here. If you want to fill out your cup till there. And then if we look inside, we can see we have nothing really going on. Okay, I'm still not seeing any seed growth. And that makes me very, very sad. I do see some dry soil though. So let's go water these. I'm gonna fill up. Please don't. I'll flip this back to me. Please don't mind my dirty dishes. I'm going to fill a jar with water, and we're going to water our plants. As I fill this container, let's talk about what we need to do. So as we water our seeds, we need to make sure we give them the same amount of water because that's what we did the first time around. And remember, since we are paying attention to how a different number of seeds grows in each plant, that means everything else needs to stay the same, okay? That comes back to variables, okay? Now the variable we happen to be measuring is the variable of the seeds growing in a certain space. However, the soil we used, the space they have, the amount of water they receive, things like that. All of that stays the same. Okay, I'm very carefully gonna carry my water and my plant back over to where the other ones are. Sorry, you're really close to me. Oh, I looked outside. You guys, I'm very distracted today. I'm so sorry. There are people walking around on my roof. So if you hear that, I'm very sorry. I also just looked outside and saw all this ice on the ground and was very confused because I didn't recall that it had snowed, but it's all from the roof. There were people walking around on the roof. So, okay, so here you can see I have this nice little balcony area. I have our plants sitting here next to the sunlight. Here I have some water I'm going to give them. I'm going to give them each 1/3 of a cup again to make sure the soil stays nice and damp. Okay. Oh, that's way too much water. I'm not going to give them 1/3 of a cup. The 1/3 of a cup wasn't even full. It was about this full, and I didn't give them all of it. I left about that much in the bottom. So I'm going to make sure I do that. So it's probably more like 1/4 of a cup for each plant, if that. It's probably not even that much. Probably not even 1/4 of a cup. Okay, so our seeds are watered. They're good to go. Sorry, this video is crazy. My gravy. And they're just going to continue growing, living their best life, and we will check in with them again next week to see what's happening, okay? Now, here is the exciting part because I promise you things are actually happening. So even though we don't see our seeds growing, sorry, I keep getting you real close. That's aggressive, and I apologize. Even though we don't see our seeds growing, things are happening. Here's what's happening. So, can't talk. Remember how I planted seeds in this baggie? Here they are. Okay, so I have my baggie, paper towel in my baggie, and then I have these seeds. Look at what's happening. These little bitty baby seeds are starting to grow. So excited. We have 4 of them that are starting to grow. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what the moist or wet paper towel does is it helps to keep moisture on the seed. And what that does is that moisture helps to soften the seed coat or that outer shell of the seeds. And once that happens, they are able to begin sprouting. Okay, and so that's what's going on right there. That plant is ready to get into some soil. Okay, so we're going to watch them the next couple days. Hopefully I'll be able to show you something else tomorrow. So I'm actually filming this. This is Thursday's activity. But today, presently, when I'm filming this, is Wednesday. So it's a day early. So early tomorrow, I will come and I will look at what those seeds are doing, and I will give you a quick little update, okay, on what the seeds and the plants are doing so that you can see what's going on, okay? But I hope you have a wonderful day. Sorry this video is so long. Have fun filling out your plant observation forms, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.